Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this Miami Fanco ceiling fan. It's really just a relabeled Hunter original. Came with hook, grommet, which is actually in good condition, and the original set of blades. The blades do have a warpage to them, so I used the spare set the owner sent me. Not good, as good either. They're kind of scratched up. These brackets are actually cast iron, and on each bracket it says the Miami Fanco, circa 1980. Unusual switch housing, which is added on by the Fanco. There's the labeling over the original Hunter original tag. It's kind of amazing. Can't be still normal. It's already been converted to a basically, instead of it being an off-low, off-high, it's now just off-high-low. So it was recently converted in its past life. Let's go ahead and put it through its paces though. It's going to be low first. The blade pitch seems like it's less than what a Hunter original would have. It does wobble a little bit with this blade set. So there's the low speed. Love the ornate detailing of the seashells. Go ahead and go to high. It's not that bad. You can hear it still moves a lot of air. These are the older ones, so these are shaded pole motors, which is what I like. Another ornate original to add to the collection. I imagine spin down is going to be quite a bit on this guy. People are stressing I bend the brackets. If they're cast iron like that, I'm not going to touch them. Just not worth breaking them. Sorry. I had to scratch my ear. So besides adding a different set of blades to this, I'm probably going to leave it as it is. It's in pretty good condition. Actually, it's very clean. So I was very surprised. Got off eBay for $170, I think. So very good. The bearings are good in condition. Everything works as it should. There we go. Thanks for watching.